You've spent the entire year working and saving up for that special occasion. Now, you have a chance to make the perfect choice when choosing your home away from home in Sun River, Oregon. At Bennington Properties, no detail is too small or gets overlooked. We have nearly 160 individual properties, each one unique and distinct in its very own way, that are carefully screened to meet our strict criteria to ensure your stay exceeds your expectations. We realize even the little details collectively make all the difference. We understand the value of being with the ones you love. At Bennington Properties, you are family. We strive to ensure everyone is happy, whether it's sharing a story on the couch, scaling the ladders on the bunk beds, having fun out on the playground. We're here to assist you on your next adventure. And because your dog is part of the family, they're just as welcome here as you are. We even go as far as providing an off-leash play area and on-site dog wash at our management offices. Whether you're booking a romantic escape for 2, a family getaway for 4, or a reunion for 16, Bennington Properties is there every step of the way to help you create a lifetime of memories from a single vacation. Call us today at 866-850-3493 or visit us online at benningtonproperties.com.